Everybody, it's me, Bailey. I am doing my weekly live stream. Let me share my link real quick. How do you find your own stream? Lovely. Oh, wow, great viewers. Thank you. Is anyone in chat? Please let me know. Okay. I'm posting this stream now. Use studio. I should be able to manage the stream. Hold on. Could anyone tell me how you're supposed to share this stinking live stream? I'm trying to post it on LinkedIn so people can see it, but I'll just leave as a post. Forget the event. Yes, discard train to this silly machine. Post. Hashtag and post. Okay, everyone. It's what? Is it stream dead? What happened? Okay, that's weird. Okay, that's weird. Okie dokie. Oh. That would probably be easier. Weekly game dev stream. Okay, guys. Well, this is let me pull up my game. This is my current game, as we see. I have to clean up the code base. I'm just mainly controlling with the keyboard. It's primarily meant to be controlled through... Okay. The boost needs to be fixed, and the asteroid field needs to be fixed. This honestly looks more like a debris field, to tell you the truth, and I do want to have debris fields and artifacts in the debris fields to either to find items to craft with or just pickups for the scavenging mechanic. And I need to get like a UI to help with the targeting, because it uses raycast, right, to and have to work on missile logic. So I don't know what's causing that. Okay, that's down. Check on the stream. Okay. Hold on. The game. Move that in priority. And then that. Okay, that's working. Okay. So we need to refactor the code base. This is the unit player control logic. The vast majority of this player logic needs to be removed. And I don't think having it as a... Okay, I'm using interface systems for the gun, but I should have a weapons manager that would handle all these, and the guns would interface with the weapons manager, and then you would just interface with that. May sound more complicated, but the idea is going to have weapon hardpoints. So you would have a certain amount of weapon hardpoints or weapon slots. Okay, and then you clip the weapon, and it will, you'll have a loop through your the mouse, or press a button to go up and down the weapon hardpoint slots, and that would allow you to more effectively. And this move input, that needs to be reworked. I want you to have mouse and keyboard, not just events. So I'm gonna have to move a lot of this, and I'm gonna auto target, but instead of just automatically with this should work automatically, but I don't know why it isn't being called. Probably because it's not in the loop. It's not in the loop. That's why it's not being called. Duh. But really, when you think about it, that should be running in process, right? Yeah, and this is what was I thinking? Okay, so basically my hey guys, is the stream good? Is chat working? Test in chat. Is it working? Okay. Do. Humgill scene. Okay. Okie dokie. I don't know if that's me watching my own thing. Was that even possible? Okay. Let me share the thing with my chat. Just get the link. Hold on. Go to my chat. Fire up my Discord channel. No, I don't want to update to the latest version. You go to my IRC client of choice. We have to update Discord again. The way they implemented it is absolutely terrible. There's and the go. My weekly live stream of developing a robot and game. And let me post this on Reddit, because trusty old Reddit. I'll post this on the Linux Gaming subreddit, because why not, eh? Linux Gaming subreddit. Come on. Yes, keep me logged in. Yes, yes. No, yeah. Host. Weekly in DevLog stream. Next gaming subreddit. Oh, I'm sharing on Reddit. I didn't know there was an embedded share button. Well, I should have assumed that, but I'm apparently a dum-dum. There we go. Now I should have multiple viewers, because I'm weird and I actually want people viewing my live stream. Why would I want that, such a thing? I don't know. F5. And then I'm not using tools. Where's my project.json? Oh my. Okay, player code. Well, good thing at this church. We got systems, we got engines, and then we're gonna have a file for movement. So how am I going to organize this? Well, engines are going to modify your speed, right? Engines are going to modify the speed. So, movement manager.gd. Manager.gd, yeah. So extend spatial. Hold on. Just pull up my sector script. Base sector. There we go. The B, then move this. Base. There. Roll B. Aha. Picture's mine. Okay. Init. Init. Pass. And then we have a func underscore process, delta, pass. Now what is the process? Oh, that's how you spell it. I am really bad. Paste. Physics process. Delta. Bass. Okay, let's make sure that's spelled right because I know. Let's go to the player. It's in units. In player. Do. That should be an input map. There. Do I spell right? I don't know. Copy that and then shamelessly throw it in there. Ah, look, I did spell it right. Okay. Okay. So export var body well, body to move probably is body to move equals typeset that kinematic body. I hope that's spelled right. Honestly, wait a minute. The unit is a kinematic body, so I'll just type that as units. Units. Do I have a base unit class? Hold on. Do I have a base unit class? I have a ship base. I'm going to refactor that because I don't. Well, kids, just to let you know. Always. Is there anyone watching my stream? I'm going to. Whew. me edit this post. Okay, so if anyone who's a game developer in the stream, please tell me what I'm doing wrong. I know the way I structured the code is pretty bad. I have to rework it. This was basically prototype code that I was using, and then so commit those. I'll commit. Git commit git add cd script cd systems cd engine git add movements manager git commit. Oh, yeah, this is a new OS install, and I did not. Okay, hold on. Share. Just give me a URL. What? Have not used Nano in so long. Exit. Yes. No. Yet. In. Refactoring the code base. 2 mini prototypes. Git push. Ah. I use range or I usually use a SSH token. This is a new Linux install. Ubuntu was giving me trouble. I am a Arch user now. No issues after I configured it. Riest. I hate the English language. Oh, yeah, it's basically I used Ubuntu so many times, and then things happen. I'm gonna have to basically set up a so I'm gonna have to on init. Oh, I've not used. Just put me on. I have not used VS Code in so long. I primarily use Vim. Here's what I usually use. I'm such a massive nerd. I usually use. Let me put it up. I have a scene for it, don't I? My terminal. Where's my good trusty terminal? I don't have a scene for it yet. Well, oh boy, how many viewers of this stupid stream do I have? Not saying anything bad about you guys in this stream. I love you guys. I just... What the heck? What just happened? What just happened? Did my stream just die? go to chat. Did my stream just die? If you're wondering how I'm chatting, if I don't know if my stream is still going, that's because I was using IRC. And if I got that wrong, I apologize. Shameless plug advertising my game. Oh, okay, yeah, the G-Script internal buffer, autocomplete, and all that goodies. Yeah, I prefer Vim. I don't know why. I just prefer working with... I originally used my own game engine. I was building this game. It's a long story. First, I was using Unreal. No, it was Unity, then Unreal, then Source. Then I built my own game engine in Monogame. Got tired of Monogame. Then I used Raylib. Got tired of Raylib. Then I discovered Godot and started contributing to it. And I started building this Godot version in Godot 2.2, if I remember correctly. Then I waited, stopped, came back to using my own game engine. Got tired of it when Godot 3.0 came out. I ported all my old game products over to Godot. And I've been working on this one, my pet project. It's not done. I have so many of little pet projects that I'm using Godot for that I don't think I'm going to get any of them done. Oh, hold on. What is the Arch Linux chat doing right now? Huh. Oh. Oh man, Mux 212. He's not watching my stream. How dare he? Just kidding. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this in Godot. You guys are right. I just like the integrated terminal and all that, but Git normally is pretty easy for me. But then again, I'm using SSH because GitHub sponsor. You have to use SSH token, and I like the brain fart. And because I accidentally typed my password, well, probably my old one, I change passwords so often. I use a password manager. Most of my current passwords are like 16-digit hexadecimals now. But yeah, a lot of like just random phrases and letters. Sounds like I'm going over. Oh yeah. Okay. So I have to have an init function. Now I'm gonna have this for staged. Staged is okay. So I'm gonna move most of my movement code. So from ship over to this. So forgive me for some cut and paste, but the movement manager is going to control these variables for speed, turn rate, and boost speed modifier. So copy. And then move that over to... Oh, this game is open source. So if you're wondering, yeah, it is open source. And I'm going for camel casing. Actually, Pascal casing. Oh, been using Vim too long. When nerds say, they're trying to quit Vim, we're not talking about the software. We are talking primarily about just speed. Okay, I'm gonna make this expressly a float. Float to, how do I do that? Dotto, 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 dotto. I'll just leave it that way for now because there's no return types right now. Okay, let me go to my plugins. Okay. Disable, ESLint disable, Flutter disable, Godot tools. And no. What is it? Stupid me. Wrong one. I prefer different Vim profiles. Disable that. Disable. I have to leave that on. Leave that on because I'll need that for sconce. Disable. Disable that for now because I'm not going to be using. Okay. Enable. Okay. Reload. Okay, good. No annoying things. Okay. Huh? Uh-huh. SSH keygen, enter a file, cd root root.ssh. Okay, pub xclip. Okay. Okay, I got xclip. Xclip dot pub. Okay, I am going to put this in, log into my GitHub, sign in, punch in my stinking two-factor authentication code. This is so annoying. Yes, I know. You want my blood, Google? Microsoft. Whoever owns it now. Alright. In some ways, I'm happy with the Microsoft acquisition. And don't kill me, my fellow Linux fans. I don't have a big budget right now. Unfortunately, they have made things cheaper. Settings. Where are my settings? Just give me my settings, you stupid little... Oh, yes, this is keys. Key. Manjaro awesome WM dash WS. Add. Oh, so cd dev the hive cd scripts and then systems, yes, git and Commit. Oh. Git push. Ooh. Oh! Abort that. Dot config. Where's my git config? Oh, come on, i3. ls, then pipe that through grep git. It's not in a config file. Help me out, chat. I haven't changed my git configs in an eternity. Oh, about working prototype? Yeah, yes and no. Most of the gameplay is working, but I've essentially had gameplay feature creep, and I've basically driven myself insane. The arcade space shooter mechanics work, the jumping between sectors work, claiming sectors pretty much there, and I can't feel my fingertips. The top-down fleet control method doesn't work, and I had a massive brain fart. I forgot about multiplayer, and I did decide I want multiplayer because basically, what I want my game to be. Remember X3 Ultimate Prelude? Okay, X3 plus Allegiance. Microsoft Allegiance, well, Allegiance where Microsoft bought the game and then Microsoft ruined the game, was a hybrid between a space combat simulation and a real-time strategy game. X3 is pretty much a 4X space game. It's also pretty much roguelike, but it has garbage fleet control. Absolute garbage fleet control. I love the game, though. Now imagine the good fleet control plus, all the 4X stuff from X3, but also not ruined by Microsoft. So you can't have these massive capital ships with multi-crew and all that. And the multiplayer would basically be the first person to log in is the fleet commander or whatever. Or something. And you'll have persistence unlocks between saves and stuff. Okay, I'm getting a lot of chat and IRC. I'm going to go and disable that real quick because I don't think it's the right subreddit I'm getting spammed on. Hold on. This is the Arch subreddit I'm getting... Arch thread I'm getting spammed on. Hold on. I didn't know I was in this one. Yeah. Oh, okay, I'm just killing that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let me clear my configs. cd dev slash behalf okay. How do I pause the stream? Okay, how do I pause the stream? Because I've got to oh, creepers, it's cold down here. If you don't know, my blog, my office is in my basement. And it's the winter. And the space heater went out. So I probably should be mining like cryptocurrency or something. Because it would be kept warm down here by that. Now, set git to use SSH. Do-do-do, do-do-do. Do-do-do. Yes. Yes. There's always something. Okay. Git sh version doesn't have a dash help. Man git. How about I make this a full screen buffer? Yeah. Yeah, do option. Git bear. I do use that to manage my config files. I symlink them out. I just want to set. Okay. Git config dash help. Call it the man page on git config. Oh, okay. I just want to see where could I set it to use SSH. Well, I am making this video to show that no one is perfect. And even someone who's been programming a good bit of his life is still terrible at making games. Building a website, sure, no problem. Building an app, no problem. Can never make a game that I like myself. And then let's just. Oh, this is the studio. Am I still live streaming? Okay. Well, that's cool. Thank you. I should have read the comments in the stream. I'm an idiot. I've set the email on the key. Well, crowdsourcing knowledge and not someone else's brain. Wonderful thing. I need to get some more coffee and check my blood sugar. I will be right back, stream. Now, how do I pause the stream? Well, I don't have a pause screen, so I'll just create a Scene. Okay. I'm back, guys. Okay. Okay. I am back. Okay. No. Streaming dashboard. Analytics. I saw people watching. I have no more current viewers. Well. Honestly, I'll just call it quits because I need to get it at a regular schedule, set it up. I appreciate all the feedback, guys. Oh, wait, current viewer? Anyone here? So, that's because I was using... Is that me? Is it? Oh my. Oh my. So, that's because I was using... Is that me? Is it? Oh my. Okay. Okay, okay. Oh my. Oh wait, let me turn off that. Oh. Oh my, I feel like an idiot. Oh boy. Again. I don't know how much of a delay there is. Okay, sugar. Let's just make sure it works. Float, and then 7. Okay, then 2. Okay. What I'm gonna do is the options menu, the settings. I have almost no UI code, so maybe I should just maybe less refactoring old code, more just updating the UI. So let me exit that. New game, load game. Options, settings. That should be its own menu, or pop-up menu. So I'll just rename that to, No. We'll see. Settings, and then this will be host game, and then instead of saying options, it will say host game. I think mods is spelled wrong, but mods will be there. Legal should just have a URL that opens the Godot framework. So, mods. So, legal is redundant, but actually, yeah, legal is redundant because that'll be a list of character. And I'll character. The reason why I'm turning at the character is so I can have character customization. So this should open a new, that should just start a new game, and that would create a new character. So I'll have to have a character customization system, and I'll have a new game start. I want, like roguelike games, to achieve some achievement, I want it to be persistent between saves. So you do a speed run, and you, I don't know, you unlock a new weapon or craft a new weapon. You could probably start with a nerfed version of that weapon in your next run. So they're going to bring OP, or say like you're going to start off with just a ship, and the idea is essentially it's like a space roguelike at first, or an arcadey space roguelike. Eventually you have a station, you and just a few drones. And then you have a station, a capital ship, a sector under your control, and then you spread out from there. But once you get to the point where you have a sector and sector fleets, it plays like a 4X game. But the multiplayer, I sort of want that to be work that way on the multiplayer, but it'll be multi-week-long sessions where you can either join a same NPC faction or guild or whatever. I want that to have dedicated servers. Essentially what I wanted Space Engineers to be, essentially, but not be Space Engineers, but I don't want it to be an MMO. But I do want maybe 100 players on a dedicated server eventually. But I'm going to start off with targeting 16 or 32 players. Targets. I probably only have 8 to start with. 1 hosting. But I am probably going to build a low-level network host system, TLS and all that, make sure it's secure. And just have a very basic, persistent database system. Probably SQLite or something simple. And then again, it may just be JSON config files, really. I mean, I sort of wanted to approach not a fully centralized system from the multiplayer. I wanted to be sort of like, what's the name of the system? A federated network where you have dedicated nodes, like the Enlightenment chat system. Which is a service on the Matrix chat multiplayer chat system, but it's just one node series of nodes that they run, and you can chat between the two. But I could host my own node, and anyone, whatever. I want something kind of like the multi-server PvP mod that Space Engineers had, but build the multiplayer like that from the ground up, where there'd be a server that is optimized for PvP combat, or one that's optimized for mining, or just really just build it with decent netcode in mind in the first place. I mean, that mod was really a hack to fix SE's multiplayer, but I liked the idea of like hyperdrive between servers and only have like a limited FDL within one server. But the mod never went anywhere. It was just like you type a command, not build a special block that allows your ship to go FDL from one system to another. Okay. So, mods. I want the mod API to be all Lua. I'm going to rewrite most of my GDScript code in Rust. And the reason why, performance, really. I want it to be performant. I want it to work really well. This may seem like a big project, and it is. I've been doing it for a while. I'm probably going to build some smaller games to try to have, a revenue stream. I'm going to crowdfund this game. I want to get it to the minimum value of product before I start a Kickstarter or a Patreon crowdfunding campaign for it. But until then, I just want it to be super simple, super basic. I may go for the single player functionality first with the code refactored enough so it works with multiplayer. And then move what needs to be in C# or C++, C++ or Rust to that, which will be probably the AI first, honestly, because I want the AI ability to have priority targets. They're finding other factions, they'll just treat you as one other faction. As soon as you get established, they should be gutting for you. I mean, like, oh my, we got a new faction upstart. Crush him now. So you gotta plan your mechanics. You gotta plan this. I personally prefer single-player games, so I want it to have a good single-player mechanic. But I want people who like multiplayer to enjoy this. Because multiplayer, people like that stuff. I don't know why. Well, enough of me ranting. Let's get some more work done. I don't think I have a lot of people watching my stream. Well, that stinks. Well, I did sort of make a dumb mistake. A really dumb mistake on a live stream. So, yeah, that's to be expected. Then again, I am really tired and hungry. I need to get this. Yeah. I'll do the live stream tomorrow. I am going to be doing this bi-weekly on the weekends and then editing the videos during the week to make my, videos for, my YouTube channel. Oh, boy. Oh, well. See you later.